will accelerate progress on major connectivity projects, including upgradation of ML1, the Gwadar port, realignment of KKH Phase 2, strengthen cooperation in agriculture, industrial parks, mining, and information technology. The two sides underscored the importance of maintaining peace and stability in South Asia and the need for resolution of all outstanding disputes and their opposition to any unilateral action. The Chinese side reiterated its principled position on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute and for its peaceful resolution in accordance with the UN Charter, relevant UN Security Council resolutions, and bilateral agreements. The two sides will also strengthen communication and coordination on the situation in Afghanistan. We call for concerted efforts for the international community to encourage Afghanistan to build an inclusive political framework, adopt moderate policies, pursue good neighborliness, and firmly combat terrorism, including not allowing its territory to be used for terrorist acts. On 15th of May, Pakistan and Latvia held the 6th round of bilateral political consultations in Islamabad. Additional Foreign Secretary Europe, Ambassador Shafkat Ali Khan, and Deputy State Secretary, Political Director of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Latvia, co-chaired the talks. The two sides reviewed the wide spectrum of bilateral relations and discussed opportunities for further cooperation, especially in trade and investment, energy, education, parliamentary exchanges, education and technology, and labor mobility. The two sides also explored opportunities for trade and investment, particularly in clean and green energy, climate change, and IT sectors. Additional Foreign Secretary for the UN and OIC, Ambassador Syed Haider Shah, and the US Department of State Coordinator for Counterterrorism, Ambassador Elizabeth, dialogue on 10th of May in Washington, D.C. Discussions focused on collaboration, technical expertise exchanges, investigative assistance, border security, and training of police and responders. The two sides committed to increasing communication and continuing joint efforts to combat violent extremism. Pakistan and the United States recognized that countering ISIS Khorasan and TTP and other terrorist organizations will enhance